In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the unsubscribe link in ActiveCampaign. This is a really important part of your email setup because every marketing email legally needs a working unsubscribe option. It also helps build trust with your audience, so you want to make sure that link is clear, easy to find, and correctly configured. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account and head to the left-hand menu. Look for the section labeled Campaigns. Go ahead and click on that. You'll see a list of your existing campaigns. Choose the campaign where you want to update the unsubscribe link, then click on Edit to open up the email editor for that specific campaign. Once you're inside the campaign editor, look toward the top area for the Design tab. Click on Design, and this will let you change the visual and content elements of your email. Now scroll down through your email layout until you reach the footer section. This is usually where your address, company information, and your unsubscribed text are located. In the footer, find the text that refers to unsubscribing, such as unsubscribe or click here to unsubscribe. Click into that text area so you can edit it, and then highlight the exact words you want to function as the unsubscribe link. With the text highlighted, look for the toolbar that appears above or near the text. On that toolbar, click the link icon to open the link settings. A small window or panel will appear with link options. Here, find the drop-down labeled Link Type. Instead of using a regular URL, you'll want to connect this to ActiveCampaign's built-in unsubscribe function. So, open the Link Type drop-down and select Personalization Tag. This tells ActiveCampaign that you're going to insert a special dynamic tag, not just a static web address. Next, you'll see another drop-down labeled Tag. Open that list and scroll until you find the option that says %, unsubscribe link, %. Select that option. This personalization tag automatically generates a unique unsubscribe link for each contact who receives your email, ensuring that when they click it, they're properly unsubscribed from your list or follow your account's unsubscribe settings. Once you've selected the unsubscribe tag, click OK to confirm your changes. Make sure to save or update your campaign before you exit the editor. Now your unsubscribe text is properly linked using ActiveCampaign's personalization tag, and your recipients will see a fully functional, compliant unsubscribe link in your email footer.